Meaning of excremental.
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 Excremental. The word excremental is derived from the noun excrement, which refers to waste matter that is eliminated from the body. When used as an adjective, excremental describes something that is related to or characteristic of excrement. It connotes something unpleasant, dirty, and offensive. For instance, one might use this word to describe a foul smell or a disgusting mess. Overall, the term excremental has negative connotations and is mostly used in contexts where there is a need to express disgust, contempt, or criticism.